Hello and welcome to Spindy's weekly linkage number 11. Remember, numbers are fingers to represent finger slots. We start with a palm up demon sonic from 3-4 to 1-2. We then notated starting with a wiper normal to wiper out, which is notating a seasick motion. Why not just notate a seasick then? Well, writing down a seasick as a separate trick is somewhat unnecessary in my opinion, because you'd still have to notate which way the wiper goes, so why not just do it in the same trick the seasick takes place in? This may be somewhat controversial, so do as you like by all means. After the seasick, we do a wiper reverse in slot 1-2 with half FC 2-1. After the wiper reverse, there's another seasick motion paired with a Cthulhu Sonic starting at 1-2 with wiper in, then at 2-4 with wiper in. Then the Cthulhu Sonic is interrupted by an uninterrupted wiper 2-4 with half FC 2-4. Then finally, the linkage finishes with a Sonic from 2-4 to 1-2. The linkage looks like this. This linkage is not crazily difficult and has arguably more value learning than the past few linkages. You can send your attempts in the Spindys Discord server. Thanks for watching. See ya next week.